Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to record a quick video for a project that I just made. Um, I know I don't show this often in my videos, but when I do make a project, I normally have and use this to carry my stuff in. I don't know what this is specifically called, but it's like what you put sheets in, what sheets, like new sheets come in. And I've used this for a while just because it was convenient and I didn't feel like I didn't feel like buying something else to hold my yarn. And it's only for like things if I'm making a project and you stop and you want to have a place for your yarn and your project. And so I made this for myself. Let me get it in the frame. And this was really, really cute. I don't have a pattern for this because some of these flowers I made myself, and then like these was somebody else's pattern. So I don't want to use, I don't want to call it my pattern when these specifically are used from someone else. So I made this, and this is the back of it. And I just think that this is really cute because I don't normally go for very colorful things when I make things myself. I usually use like blues and blacks or monochrome colors, but I'm trying to sort of step out of the box and do projects that I haven't really done before. And I haven't ever made myself a crochet bag before. So I just wanted to come and show you. I have to glue that part in. But I wanted to come and show you what I'm working on and also what fits inside of it because I feel like that would be helpful too.